Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Goan crab curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of fresh crabs, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned. For the aromatic base, prepare finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Essential spices include turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Don't forget the creamy coconut milk and a touch of tamarind paste for that authentic Goan tang. Fresh green chilies and curry leaves will add a final flourish. Now let's create the heart of our curry, the Goan masala. Begin by sautéing chopped onions in a pan until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add the ginger and garlic paste, cooking until fragrant. Introduce your dry spices, turmeric, red chili, and coriander powder, and roast them for about 30 seconds. Finally, combine this mixture with fresh grated coconut and a little water, grinding it into a smooth, rich paste. This step is crucial for the curry's depth of flavor. With our masala ready, it's time to cook the curry. Heat a little oil in a large pot and add the prepared masala paste. Sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until the oil begins to separate, indicating it's well cooked. Now, add the cleaned crabs to the pot, stirring to coat them evenly with the masala. Pour in the thick coconut milk and a small amount of tamarind pulp. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crabs are perfectly tender. To finish our delicious Goan crab curry, a final touch of fresh coriander leaves adds a vibrant aroma and color. Serve this rich and flavorful curry hot with fluffy steamed rice or traditional Goan bread for a truly authentic experience. It's a dish that brings the taste of the coast right to your table. Remember to check the description below for links to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.